In this video, we will show you how to make a hazardous waste facility fee prepayment with a username and password. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services profile page, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Hazardous Waste Facility Fee hyperlink. This will take us to the Hazardous Waste Facility Fee account page. Under the Periods tab, click on the return period for which you would like to make a prepayment. In our example, we will make a prepayment for the fiscal year 2023, which is displayed by its return end date of June 30th, 2023. Click on June 30th, 2023. Under the I Want To section, click on the Make a Prepayment hyperlink. On the Make a Payment page, select how you would like to make a payment or prepayment. You can choose to pay with a checking or savings account or to pay by credit or debit card. Please note, if you choose to pay by credit or debit card, there's a 2.3% processing fee that will be added to your total amount due. If you are required to pay by electronic funds transfer, EFT, and you are initiating your payment on the due date, your payment must be completed before 3 p.m. Pacific Time to be considered timely. In addition, if you are required to pay by EFT, credit and debit cards are not considered an acceptable method of electronic payment. In this example, we will make a payment with a checking account. Click on Pay Now with Checking or Savings, no fee. This brings us to the Period Payment page. Select your bank account type. In this example, we will select Checking Business. Enter your banking information and payment amount. To calculate the amount of prepayment due, the amount must not be less than 50% of the applicable hazardous waste facility fee for the current year. You can view the current fee rates on our website at cdtfa.ca.gov. If you do not know the amount of your facility fee, please call our customer service center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711. You can select Yes to save the payment option for future use. Once you enter all the required information, click Submit. When you click Submit, a window will appear to confirm your intent to submit a payment electronically and that your payment is true, correct, and complete. Please read this information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This will serve as your authorization and confirmation. You will receive a confirmation email. This brings us to the confirmation page. This is only the payment submission. It is your responsibility to review your bank statement to confirm that this transaction was successful. Please take note of your confirmation number. We recommend that you print this page for future reference. To print your payment submission, click on the Printable View button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.